So you just finished your latest artwork and this is how you see it. What if I told you that it's very possible you are wearing these imaginary glasses, and if you just took them off, the artwork would actually look like this. These imaginary glasses are called imposter syndrome. I'm sure that you've probably heard of this term. If you haven't, it's basically a feeling that you are worse than you actually are, or that you don't deserve the success you earned. Among artists, this feeling is very common. The improvement in art is extremely slow, so we can't even notice improvements right away. This creates a feeling in our heads that we did not improve at all, leading to doubting our choices and if we even are capable of actually becoming pro artists. Sometimes I struggle with this feeling too. It's the worst when you are showing someone your art and they are really impressed with it, but you just cannot get the same feeling from it. This can really hurt your motivation and enjoyment for art and can lead to drawing less, which is the opposite of improving. Today I will share with you how to fight this terrible artist plague and how to remove these imaginary glasses so you can see your art as just bad, not very bad. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm sure your art is much better than mine. I mean, just look at this shit. It's terrible. It's essential to recognize that imposter syndrome is a common experience shared by many creative people. Understanding that you are not alone in grappling with these feelings can be extremely validating. Sometimes just realizing that something as imposter syndrome even exists can be enough to make you feel better. But what if it doesn't? Does it mean I'm doomed? Yeah, you are completely fucked. You are banned from ever using a reference and only allowed to do art with these specific fucking crayons. I'm kidding, of course. But those crayons are seriously fucking awful. I really don't understand why the fuck people be like, "Hey Jimmy, I bought you these crayons. Now draw something pretty." Why would you subject your child to such a torture? Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh, about going to literal artist hell. That was a lie, of course. So what should you do? Well, first of all, take a step back. You are probably having a tunnel vision and not seeing the full picture. So the first thing I recommend is this. Each time you finish an artwork, just don't look at it for a few days. You will be seeing it with a new pair of eyes. Cause when you spend tens of hours working on an artwork, constantly looking at it, your eyes get kinda used to it and you perceive it completely differently. Another thing you should do is looking at your older artworks. If you feel disgusted with what you are seeing, that's a good sign. It means your art improved, indeed. Just try to compare your latest artwork with an artwork you've made a year ago, and I guarantee you that you will see a difference in skill. And when we are already at it, you can even try redrawing some of your older artworks. This will really help you see how much you improved. Still not convinced? Perhaps your brain doesn't let you self-validate. In that case, try seeking feedback elsewhere. Create an art Instagram profile and post your artworks there. Join Discord servers. Post on different subreddits. Try posting on DeviantArt or do it like me. Start a YouTube channel. There is a ton of different ways to get feedback, and every positive feedback gives you a smile on your face, and criticism is even better, cause it helps you see mistakes that you otherwise would not notice. So it's a win-win situation. I also recommend setting some achievable goals like drawing this hand... fuck! Okay, maybe something more achievable. What I also like to do, as you might have noticed on my channel, is different art challenges. Every artist should do this in my opinion. Challenging yourself with different art challenges is perfect for learning stuff helpful in your art journey. And there is one final thing that will make you the god of all artists. Subscribe to my channel. Seriously guys, this is an essential step. And while you are already there, you might as well like and share. and you will definitely like this video, so go check it out. Remember, keep it fun and really enjoy doing what you love. I'll see you in the next one. Love you and bye.